Alright guys, welcome to the third video of the 10 subs special. This is a part 2 to opening up, god damn it, to opening up these Evolution or EV Heroes Korean packs. Alright. In the last video we already got a couple nice pulls. I will show them to you right after I open this package up. Alright. Come on. Come on. Right. Nice. No. Alright. This one. This one. We got these two, RR and triple R, double R, SR, and another double R. Right. We are hoping for more of these. But for now, let's open the next 30 packs of these. 3, 6, 10. 3, 6, 10. 3, 6, 10. 30 packs, just like in the last video. We are hoping for more of these double rare, triple rare, I don't know what. Oh, and by the way, I saw it here. I don't know what all of this means. I cannot tell you, but there's another level of rareness, because we have seen the normal rares, double rares, the triple rares also, and the super rare, I guess, or secret rare, I'm not sure, but there's also an HR. So maybe, hopefully, we can... Oh no, how am I gonna open this one? Is this there? Ah, alright. No, this looks kind of wrong. I don't know. But yeah, I was saying, maybe, hopefully, we can get one of these secret rare, these HRs. As I said, weird card. 2 uncommons, 3 commons. Let's hope for the best. Are these all made like that? Okay. No. I don't want to get scissors. Oh my god. Completely destroyed this pack. Holy. Oh, there's something good. Let's hope. Let's hope. Common. 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 Uncommon. And... Oh! Vaporeon. Nice. Do you guys know that Vaporeon, coming to breeding, is the best Pokemon to breed because it has the best... No, it's the closest to the human being. I don't know how the mean goes. I just thought it would be funny to say that shit. Now y'all gonna think that I'm some acoustic retard. But, God, come on. I mean, yeah, cool, I guess. How the fuck? I don't want to get scissors, for real. I don't want to. But I guess I will have to get a pair of scissors for opening these up. Uncommon, uncommon. I just hope. I think I have to do it. What? No, it's not working. I mean, I can completely strip this whole pack, but no. Yeah. Man, I'm destroying this beautiful artwork and these packs. like holy. Oh, and the, oh, this is the uncommon. And the rare. Nice. I think I'm just gonna go like this. Hopefully not damage the packs like I almost did. But yeah. 2 uncommons. Oh. I still haven't googled the card list because I'm actually recording this video right after the other one because I kind of was motivated and I had to feed into my gambling addiction here by opening more packs. Because yeah, oh my god, there's something good. I don't know. I think it's an Umbreon, but I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, the triple rare Leafeon. Nice. That's actually, damn, that's really nice. Look at that, guys. Nice. Triple rare Leafeon. So good. So far, so good, I guess. I mean, in the last box, I think it was 15 packs, 5 cards, 5 of these. I'm not sure. I think it was something like that. 2 uncommons. Oh, hit the camera. Right. Let's hope that we can get it or do it again with the pulls. Oh, I think I saw something again. Why am I like this? Why? Okay, guys. Common. Hey, secret rare Vaporeon. What? Nice. The centering looks actually pretty good. I think top to bottom centering is not that good, but who cares? A secret rare. I think it's secret rare. Might also be super rare. Oh, my cat just jumped down. Oh, I think he's gonna start meowing to get out of the room. Alright, destroying packs once again. Nice. Yeah, well, this is the life of this pack now. Just gonna be... Right. This pack is gonna stay like that. Alright guys, this is the 10 subs giveaway. You can get this piece of foil. Oh wait. No, it doesn't stick. Sad. No, I'm just joking. I'm gonna open this one. It would be so funny if there is like the Moonbream or something like that. But I don't think it's gonna be. Yeah, no. Alright, 10 packs. Done. Let's see. Let's open these a bit faster because we're already at almost 10 minutes. I don't want to make a 30-minute video. Nice, another rare. Already have this one. Alright. Boom. Bam. And nothing interesting. So far, we don't have as many cards as I mean. Oh no, there's. Oh, right, let's just. We don't have as many cards as in the last box. All right, here we go. Oh, no, I dropped it. Oh my god. Yes, this is the one that I wanted. It looks so much better in person. Triple rare Sylveon. This is what I wanted. So good. Yes. Yes. Now we just have to hit the secret rare, or maybe I don't know if there's a HR of this, and I would be so happy and grateful. Holy. Alright. Let's hope for more of these nice hits. I mean, God damn it. Why does it have to be like this? Why, Korea? Why? Why can't you be like the other ones? Cheap. I mean, or better quality? I think actually better quality. I think this is actually cheap. Why do we have to be like that? Alright. I mean, I could just open them like this, but it feels wrong to just rip it from the side. Because on every other pack, you can just open it from the back. This one looks kind of yellow. Okay. Common, 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 uncommon, and oh, what? Okay. Double rare. Flareon? I think Flareon. I don't know. I think Flareon. It has to be Flareon. Right? I don't know. Correct me in the comments, guys. Nice. Like this one. Bunch more. Ugh. This one was also bad to open. Oh, why? Alright. Let's see this one. Boom. 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 And 2 uncommons. I think it's better if I just open the packs like this. Like that. Removing this one first. Then this. Boom. 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 Common and. Oh, another rare. Not. I think it's a bit better, but I don't know. I have to see, because these are always black on the border, or like have a bit more color, and I like yellow. So I have to see. Alright. Common. 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 Uncommon and just another uncommon. Alright. 20th pack. I mean 50th for me today, but for this video 20th pack. Let's see. I want a couple more of these ones because we just have 5. No rare once again. Alright, let's get into the last 10 packs. Let's hope. Let's hope, let's hope, let's hope. Alright. Uncommon. Uncommon, alright. Just a normal rare. Alright. I'm also going. I also ordered one cool card. It's like a special card because you only were able to get them in person. I wasn't able to go there, but I will show it to you when it arrives. And sad. But yeah, it's a pretty cool card. I will definitely be sending it to PSA or Beckett, maybe like something like that, to get it graded. Because if I get a 9 or a 10, it's worth a bit more than if it's ungraded. Even if it's an 8, I think. And oh, the double rare Sylveon again. Nice. We already have this one, but still, I think it has to be the same, doesn't it? Yeah, it is the same. Alright. Still, really, really nice. Love it. But still, I would like to know if there's like, there's nothing in there. I would like to know if there's a double rare, a triple rare, SR, and an HR for every card of these. Because for Espeon, we only got the SR for now. I still hope that we can get a double R or a triple R, that we can look at the other artworks. Sad. But yeah, or maybe more super rares or secret rares, I don't know. Oh, this was a good open. Nice. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, nothing interesting. Alright, last 4 packs. In the last video, we got one last good card out of these packs in the last pack. So let's hope that we can do it again. Or even better, get more than one. Would also be. I wouldn't mind that. Come on, come on, come on. And uncommons. Next pack. Oh, what? Okay. Boom. Come on, come on, come on. And just a rare. Come on. Last 2 packs. Let's hope. What? Alright. Destroying the packs once again. There's nothing in there in this pack. Alright. Last pack. Let's hope for a hyper rare or HR. I don't know for what else the H should stand. Holographic rare maybe. I don't know. Alright, common. 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 And ooh, nice. We got it on the last pack again. Nice, guys. What? Another Leafeon. Alright. Well, I mean, I already had this one, but yes. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 good hits out of 60 packages. I mean, yeah, there are definitely better pull rates on other packs, but for me, totally worth it because I love the evolutions. I want them, I need them, and yeah, I'm also thinking of buying all the evolutions in a special art style by some artist. I forgot his name. It was something with a Y. But yeah, I'm thinking of getting all of them, also grading them, or maybe already getting all of them graded. I don't know, but yeah. So for me, it was totally worth it. I don't know the prices, so I will probably link them in both videos for the cards that I pulled. But yeah, If they're not that expensive, I wouldn't open these packs. But if they're expensive, I would definitely open these packs, because you all saw it. We got 14 hits. Let's say one hit is like $2-3. Bam. You have at least half of the money you spent on these cards back. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video where I open Crown Zenith. Bye.